This is Villa Savoye. Located about an hour west outside of Paris, France, this house was intended to be used as a vacation home. In the mid to late 1920s, Eugène and Pierre Savoye hired Le Corbusier and his cousin Pierre Genet to build them a vacation home. Now, Corbusier goes on to become a world-renowned architect and one of the founding fathers of the international style. His cousin becomes a prominent furniture designer. This house becomes the perfect opportunity for Corbusier to execute his architectural manifesto. He comes up with 5 points of design: pilotis, a rooftop garden, open floor plan, long windows, and an open facade. Let's go slightly deeper into Villa Savoye so maybe you could understand the impact this house had on future architects and the world. Now, when people normally think of a villa, what comes to mind? Maybe a large estate someplace in like Tuscany where their buildings are super old and they're made of stone and their gardens you can walk around in. Villa Savoye is not that type of villa. Villa Savoye is conceptual. The attempt is to make a new ground by clearly defining land and ground. You see, land comes with politics and history. Corbusier doesn't want that. He wants a new beginning. No more ornamentation, no more baggage from pre-World War I. So his answer is to strip the walls bare, paint everything white. And what does he do with the land that the house is supposed to sit on? Simple. He places it on the roof. You want to walk through gardens? Easy. Here you go. You want to see the world outside? Simple. Look through these very controlled thin strips of windows. Even when you're outside, you're still within the architecture. It is surrounding you, just beating you over the head. You can't escape it. The ideas of this little white house gave birth to the international style and still lives with us almost 100 years later. My name's Dee, and this is architecture.